Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is Talanta Stadium latest progress and update. Today is 31st October 2025 and these are the latest updates of this stadium. You can see what they have done on the roofing. You can see the number of traces has increased. Just observe. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation credit. They are doing a great job. The stadium was expected to be completed this year, but it's going to be completed in 2026. I want to take you down there. You see what they are doing right there. This stadium is going to host AFCON 2027, Africa Cup of Nations 2027. And this is Talanta Stadium. Let's go and see what they are doing. And this is what I'm talking about. These steel metals are going to be used to construct catwalk. You have heard me correct. These steel metals are going to be used to construct catwalks. You can observe they have already been fixed. You can see. You can observe these steel metals that are going to be used to construct catwalks. They are very strong to ensure they can sustain every weight. You can see the stadium from here. You can see the progress. This stadium is being constructed by China Roads and Bridge Corporation company from China. And if you are new coming across Talanta Stadium videos, this stadium has a seating capacity of 60,000 spectators. The total construction cost is $344.5 million US dollars. This stadium construction started back in 2024 and was expected to be completed in December 2025, but due to changes it's going to be completed in 2026. You can see the roofing updates so far. From this point you can see it's beautiful. You can see the number of traces has increased. Every single day they increase the number of traces. These traces are going to be used to hold canopy. You heard me correct. These traces are going to be used to hold canopy. You can see the view of the roofing from here. You can see the view. You can observe the view of this mega stadium, Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. The roofing update. You can see every single day they are making sure there's a move in the roofing sector. You can see the number of traces is increasing every single day. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, share the video to one or two of your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the video till the end.